Hello everyone, today I am Nishtha Jain and I hope you all are doing well. For today we are going to do the stone art. For this you might need a flat stone, some acrylic paints, earbuds, and you might need some brushes. So here we start. You also need to have some water in the water container. So for starting it, you may use the paint brushes or you may even use your hand for doing the base paint. I'm using the brushes and I'm doing some black color on the top of it. Make sure you're using very little amount of water and you have to do the markings on the stone, something like this. You don't have to color the whole stone, only on the top of it you have to do this kind of a marking. So you have to color the half part of it with the same color. Now when you're done with this, you need to leave it for drying for quite some time, and then whenever it is dried, then you have to start doing the coloring on it. But first it should be dried. Each time you need to check it that there shouldn't be any paint on your finger. Like if I've got some paint, this means it isn't dried. Now it has to be dried, then you have to start doing it. Now I can check that it is dried. I'll put my finger and I'll check there's no color on my finger. This means it is dried. Now I'll be using yellow color for the dots, the way I've done on this. I'll be putting the dots with the earbuds. So I have this yellow color. Make sure you're using the acrylic paints or the poster paints only. Do not use any other color. Now you have to dip it in it, and there shouldn't be, it should be only on the tip, not everywhere, only on the tip. So using this you have to make the points. It should have a little gap all over. Like if I'm putting it, put it and just pick it up. Do not flash it up or do not scrub it anywhere else. So you have to do it something like this. Try to make it a little more bigger by doing it and just moving it like this so that it becomes a little more bigger. Now you have to let it dry and then we'll move on to the next step. Now for making the petals, like here I've done with green, I'm using orange for this one. Each time you're making the petals, you need to make sure that two dots have same petal, like this one and this one, it's having the same petal. For this one and this one, I'll be making this same petal. You have to take only the paint, do not take excessive water in your brush. Try to make common petals for some of the dots, like this one and this one has this common petal. First make all the common petals and then draw the other petals in between. You have to do it very carefully and just mark a line. Do not take excess of paints. So I'm done with the common petals. Now I'll be drawing the petals around the whole of it. For whatever space is left, I'll be covering it with these kinds of lines while making the petals. What all space is left, you can fill it up with more number of petals. You need to make sure that the petals aren't touching much each other. Try to keep some distance between each of them. Now you can see I've put these petals all around these circles. For these small dots, I'll be using green color. Here I have my green color. I'll again be using these earbuds, and make sure that each time you're using a new color, you need to use the new side of the earbud. I'll be putting only on the tip of it, and I'll be making some dots out of it. You may use different colors, you may use different designs in order to decorate your stone. So this is how you need to complete it, and let it be dried. Do not touch it until and unless it is dried. And I hope you like the video. Thank you so much.